Welcome to AA's Automotive and Performance, a dealership experience at aftermarket pricing. The AA's Automotive and Performance team has experience working on all types of vehicles. Our ASE certified mechanics specialize in auto repair and maintenance services in Puyallup. As one of the leading auto performance shops in Puyallup, we are experts in upgrading the performance of your vehicle. We will upgrade your Jeep and truck with the best accessories available. Add a custom exhaust system. This will accomplish one or all of the following goals: more speed, enhanced visual appearance, and better sound. The brand of accessories we offer include ARB 4x4 accessories, Amp Research power steps, BD diesel performance parts, Bushwhacker, BW trailer hitches, Edge products, FabTech lift and lowering kits, Firestone air helper springs, Hella headlights, fog lights, and driving lights. Download our free mobile app to use our loyalty program, digital coupons, and have access to everything AA's Automotive and Performance offers at your fingertips. Get up to $3,000 with no credit needed. Apply online or inquire in our shop. To know more, contact us at 253-840-9130 or visit www.dblaauto.com.